All right. A friend of mine in Florida called me and said, "Hey, Tim, I need some help. And you got to simplify this a little bit for me. I can't do the cat's paw connection. Certainly can't do the stiff wire connection. But help me out. Figure this out for me and show me what I need to do." So I'm going to show you another way today to make these stiff rig stingers. Get yourself some 175-pound. This is the 49 strand. It's soft wire. It's from American Fishing Wire. Get some 1.0 sleeves, double sleeves, excuse me. Some heavy duty little stinger hooks. I like these 7/0. They're basically an O'Shaughnessy style. Some heat shrink tubing. And it's also important that you have good cutters to make good sharp edges on your cuts so they go in and out of the double sleeves real good. And also, I think one of the most important parts is a good pair of crimping pliers. I like these HD 800s. Had these for years and years, but they make a really nice wide crimp the entire width of the double sleeve. So let's get going. Let's make one. All right. Cut you a piece of tubing, or actually the heat shrink tubing. Cut a few pieces of it. Dump out a few crimps. About ready to finish that bag up. And take one crimp. Slide it through. Let me zoom in on that a little bit. Slide it through. Take your hook. Put it through. Put it back up through and pull it down until the wire just barely is out of the crimp. And I mean barely, I mean just 10-15 thousandths. Very small amount. Okay. Then make your crimp. Alright, and come to the top, put another double sleeve on, like that. And you can rotate it around until it's 90 degrees, and that's what you want to see. You want to see that hook at 90 degrees of your crimp at the top. Put your pliers on, pull it down to where it's just about like that right there. I don't know if that'll pick it up or not, but and yes, indeed, it is exactly 90, or not exactly, it's very close to 90 degrees. Yes, and crimp it. Boom, yeah, just like that. Then slide your heat shrink cable over. And let it get right to the top of the crimp. Just like that. Let me zoom in on that a little bit. Bring your heat shrink tubing down to just like that. Give it a little heat. Not too much. Boom, yeah. There you go. That's a nice stiff rig. And you can form it to make it lay just perfectly straight while it's still warm. And I'd also like to go over this entire tackle. Now that you've got your stinger hook that you can connect to it, take this 7/0 chin weight, remove this little bit of paint here at the base of the hook. Okay, get that nice and clean so that this connection here will fit. And then snell this. This is the tackle that I like to use. Nice, clean, naked bait. No skirt of any kind. Just a beautiful swimming ballyhoo or this squid. This is what I'm rigging this bait for. Make 4 or 5 wraps. 1. Oops, started that one out wrong. Okay, now that you're at that point, grab your tag in and pull all that excess line down. Like that. Pull it up against the back of the eye and then really get down on it. Like that. Now clip your tag in nice and close. And there you got that. Now take, and this is the way you want it to lay, just like that. Let me zoom out a little bit. So you take your hook with it down and put this over the eye. It only goes on, one way off. Just like that. Oh, mess that up. I'll put it on backwards. I'd be daggone. Take it off. Put it on. And there you go. There's a nice snelled connection chin weight to a stiff rig. Beautiful for fishing those medium-sized squid. And for the larger squid, your stinger is just much longer. All right. Hope this helps out, Bill. And everyone. Catch 'em up.